All right, guys, today I wanted to do a quick review on my HOTO Electric Screwdriver. I want to show you this one right here. I've actually had it for a while. This has to be one of the most useful screwdrivers you can get. Comes with 12 magnetic tips in here. It's got 3 different torque settings right here. Just literally turn it like that. Just insert it like this. And you are good to go. It's got a little light right there in case you need it. You charge it with Type-C. One full charge will last you about 1,000 screws. So like I said, and it charges really quickly. Like I said, it uses Type-C. I've used this to build furniture, chairs, like literally just about anything you can name. I probably have assembled it with this electric screwdriver. Like I said, it's probably one of the more handy screwdrivers that you can get. So the one thing that I do want to point out about the electric screwdriver, it only weighs half a pound, so it's ultra lightweight and easy to handle. Even in some of those dimly lit corners, I can see exactly what I'm doing thanks to that LED that's on there. This is definitely great if you do a lot of DIY. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new electric drill, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below. I did want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.